I can print myself flowers. Yes, I can. So I made this model and I teased about it yesterday, and it's out now on my Cult 3D. So I just wanted to show you the model. It's a modular design, so you can print the stem and the flowers, and the stem has a secret compartment and the flowers also has a secret compartment, and there's a lid and you can screw it on and put some jewelry or whatever and use it as a gift. But they just stack easily and print. It's all print in place, no supports, no nothing. So just print, it's parted in 4 parts, the files, so it's very easy to go about. But yeah. So here it is on Cult 3D, and I set it for free for the personal use version for the first 48 hours. So head on over there and take a look, and there's also the commercial version, which I put at a 50% discount. So go check them out, download the free version and see if you like it. At least it's a flower that I can keep alive, because mine tend to die. This one won't. So see you guys, bye.